In this video, I'm going to explain how to start your essay using your outline. So I have an example here using the book of Mice and Men, and here is my thesis. In the novel of Mice and Men, John Steinbeck uses the motif of the American dream in order to show how George's motivation changes from caring for Lenny to caring for others, and finally to caring for himself by wanting the dream to come true. In my subclaim number 1 boxes, I have American Dream and George caring for Lenny. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thesis statement and I'm going to put it into my draft. And I'm going to just leave my thesis there as I start my draft and come back to writing my introduction after. Then, as you can see, the subclaims are divided into the 3 parts of this thesis. So George's motivation changes from caring for Lenny. So that's the first one, caring for Lenny. The second one is caring for others. And then the last one is caring for himself. So I'm just going to look at subclaim number 1. And I'm going to combine these ideas into a subclaim statement. So at the beginning of the novel, George tells Lenny about the dream of owning their own land as a way to provide hope for Lenny because George values Lenny's well-being and prioritizes Lenny's needs. Okay, so what I've done is I've combined this idea of the dream here, so telling Lenny the dream, and making that connection to how George cares for Lenny, which shows something about George's character as someone who values Lenny. Notice that I chose the word value because it connects to identity, value, motivation, or attitude. So now this whole statement connects still to my thesis, but just this part of my thesis. So caring for Lenny. I'm going to then write my context, evidence, and analysis for this body paragraph. When I start my new body paragraph, I will do the same thing, except I'll do it for subclaim number 2, where I connect the dream to George caring for others. So that whole second body paragraph will be just about this middle part. But now I can now that I have my subclaim, I can start on my body paragraph number